In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once your document is open, go to the Tools tab at the top and choose Edit PDF. This switches you into editing mode and reveals a toolbar with options specific to layout and formatting. From that toolbar, select Header and Footer, then click Add. This opens the Add Header and Footer dialog, which is where you'll place and style your page numbers. Inside this window, click directly in the header or footer area where you want the numbers to appear, left, center, or right. Think about your layout here. A centered footer is common for reports, while right-aligned numbers in the header can feel more formal. After you place your cursor, click Insert Page Number. You'll see a preview token appear in the field, confirming the position. Before applying changes, take a moment to customize the format. Click Page Number and Date Format to choose how the number is displayed. Simple numbers like 1, a combined format like 1 of n, or a labeled style such as Page 1. This is also where you can set the starting number, which is helpful if your document has a cover, a title page, or other front matter that shouldn't be counted as Page 1. Adjusting the starting value keeps your numbering consistent with your table of contents or print plan. If you don't want numbers across the entire document, open Page Range Options. Here you can specify a custom range, or choose to number only odd or only even pages. That's particularly useful for two-sided printing or when your layout alternates between full bleed images and text-heavy pages. When you're finished in these sub-dialogues, click OK to confirm each choice and return to the main window. Back in the Add Header and Footer dialog, review the live preview. Make sure the placement doesn't overlap with existing text or graphics. If the numbers look too small or too bold, use the available font and size controls to match your document's design. A quick visual check now helps avoid surprises later. When everything looks right, click OK in the Add Header and Footer dialog to apply the numbering to your document or the range you selected. Acrobat will update the pages instantly. If something isn't quite right, simply reopen the same tool and refine your settings until you're happy with the result. And that's all there is to it. You've added clean, consistent page numbers to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro.